Tired of spending hours manually categorizing, classifying, and typing in Excel? You're not alone, and you're about to save hours of work. In this video, I have compiled 5 insanely powerful Excel AI hacks that will blow your mind, from auto-categorizing data with a single formula to generating full responses using AI. These are the exact tools Excel power users are secretly using to work smarter, not harder. If you're a student, professional, or data wizard who wants to master Excel using AI, this video is your shortcut. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Stop categorizing data by hand. Instead, automate this process. Go to the cell, type is equal to ai.fill, select the example above, then pick the data you want to categorize, wait a few seconds, and boom, all your data has been categorized easily. Don't classify data by hand. Instead, use AI. Go on the first cell, type is equal to GPT classify, select the item to classify, input the categories, copy and paste the formula, and boom, it's done. Don't type out responses by hand. Instead, try this. Enter this AI function is equal to ai.ask. Type the prompt to send to AI. Spread the formula to all the rows and boom, it's done. The intern was going to spend hours typing out each response like this. So I showed him this tip. Enter the function is equal to labs.generative.ai. Type the prompt to send to AI. Spread the formula to all the rows and boom, it's done. Are you tired of writing same formula again and again? Well, you are not alone. Today, I'll tell you about AI-aided formula editor. With the help of it, you won't have to write a single formula in future. Check it out. Go to your Excel sheet, click on Insert, click on Add-ins and choose Get Add-ins. Type AI in the search bar. AI-aided formula editor will appear. Select it, click on Add button, tick mark the terms and conditions and click on Continue. You can find AI-aided formula editor added above in your menu bar. And there you have it. 5 game-changing Excel AI tricks that will save you hours, reduce manual work, and boost your efficiency like never before. Which hack was your favorite? Drop a comment below with AI if you want more Excel automation tips or need help setting up any of these tools. Don't forget to subscribe Office Master for more advanced Excel with AI hacks, tutorials, and secret tools that make Excel fun again. Share this with your team now, because no one should be doing manual work in 2025.